This is Ant Simulator, a simulation where you can explore ants and their pheromone structure.
Ants naturally create pheromones themselves. In 1958, Harvard biologist Edward Wilson discovered that branching ants made these chemicals. Ants use them to talk to each other, follow foot trails, and sound the alarm.
And this is my attempt of recreating the same simulation on my own. First, create an object. Then make it move. Wrong direction. Right direction. This is not right though. Making the object follow the mouse is weirdly satisfying. So I played with it for 20 minutes. Next, I needed a grid so ants can track their pheromones. It was a simple task, just a double for loop. I wanted to make checkerboard pattern grid, but Unity decided that yellow is the best color. I spent the whole hour trying to understand why it kept happening, and at the end I found out that I did not increase the alpha value and my opacity was 0 the whole time.
Bruh.
So this is the final grid. Also upgraded the triangle into an actual ant so it looks better. The whole point of the grid was to make ants leave pheromones, and that's what I did. Now, even though the ant following my mouse cursor was good, it being random is way better. I needed an ant spawner, so I coded it real quick. A bunch of ants decided to escape the borders of their map, which caused an error because I don't have any borders. I quickly created the borders around the camera so ants cannot escape. The borders did nothing because I forgot to change the dynamic status of the rigid body 2D into static. Here's a quick time lapse of what I did after.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Now, by the end, I had a 75% working ant simulator, but my pheromone structure was completely wrong, and my code structure had 4 classes that interconnected with each other, and basically no one can understand it. So I decided to finish this project because it takes too much time and effort to save it than to start a new one.